welcome to EGGY Fits' channel. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe. I'm heading up to the 1,000, so come along with the ride. And this is a flooring video that I'm just making, a little small one, about herringbone and how I do my external corners. So let's get into it. So we've got the tile that we want to do, and we're going to look at the longest length and we'll mark it with a pencil. And now we're going to mark the edge where the center bit, which comes right out. Draw up the sides, so when we slide that opposite side against it, we know it's square, and we do a little marker there. Right, now I've got a tile. I want to figure out which one of these marks is the centerpiece. So I'm kind of figuring it out. So I'll have a look. Yeah, forgot which one it was here. So now I've figured it out. Got the tile on there for a nice right angle, and we're going to have a nice long mark. And now we need to know how far along that mark we need to put the center point. So we use a tile, and then we mark the center point. So now it's X marks the spot. So we use that tile now to give us a nice straight edge. And we start from the lip of the tile with that pencil mark to the center. Same with this other side. Now we've scored it, we'll just give it another bit of a scoring, because this stuff's pretty tough. It's Antico. So we can bend it up, snap it off, and we're just going to undercut it. We're going to cut the backing off around the edge, because the backing protrudes basically further than the top layer. So just placing it in, seeing if it fits. It does need a little bit off in that corner. So we'll just do a little slice in that corner. Let's see. It looks pretty good. And now it's moved all that out. Let's put that all back together, because this is all just loose at the minute. Let's see if we need, yeah, we do. We just need a little bit more off this corner. So we shave a little bit. That looks pretty good to me. Let's have a look. I'm going to clean this pencil line off, because no one wants to go around with a little rubber to get that off. But yeah, thumbs up. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.